how to make a live PDF from Google Slides. Now, many of you are familiar with Google Slides already. It's really quite a handy tool and very easy to share with students. There's just a few things that make this version different than, say, using Pages or Microsoft Word. So first of all, what I'm going to do is show you the simplest way. I'm going to add a text box, and I can just type the address right here. Let's say we're going to Incredibox.com. As soon as I hit space or return, it has an underline. That means it's live. The other way I can do it is I can say click here. And like in the other programs, I can highlight it, go to Insert, Link, and that's where I add my link. You can also link to another page in your slide or an email address, whatever you would like. But I'm going to go Incredibox.com, apply, and it's there. The other way that we can do this is to add an image. So you can upload from your computer. Let's see what I have on my desktop here. There's my backyard. Let's choose this. I can resize it. I can edit it however I would like to. And then the same thing, I'm going to insert a link and www.incredibox.com. I just have this one memorized, but you can also just copy and paste right from a website that you have open. Apply, and here we have it. So I have 3 different ways now that students can access it. If I share this presentation with students, the important thing is that they need to click the Present button to make it all live. And that way, each of those links becomes live. And there it goes. So that's a real easy way to do it. It's you can make this as pretty as you like to. Add images, you can add different backgrounds. There are layouts, there are themes. You can really do a lot with this. It's an excellent way to make live links quickly and kind of skip the PDF process. Now, if I would like to make this as an actual PDF document so they don't have to click Present, I can go to File, then I'm going to go to Print Settings and Preview. If I do this, it gives me some options up here to hide the background, include skip slides. There's the one I'm looking for, Download as PDF. As soon as I click that, it automatically just pops it there, and here's my preview. And we'll see that the links work. All of those different links are active now.